Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I am Shruthi. How have you all been doing? So all those of you who are new to this channel, there's a subscribe button right under this video. Click on that, be a part of this family and help me make this channel big. So coming to this video, I have been really bored sitting at home and felt like doing something fun today, something really crazy. And what are we gonna do? We are gonna try and cut my hair today. So when I was in college, I used to really love long hair, and I used to see all these girls, friends of mine, who used to have really long hair, all tied up properly. So I never cut my hair when I was in college. I used to love long hair, but now I've been really having a lot of hair troubles. I'm having terrible hair fall, and it is becoming a big task to manage these hair. So I'm going to cut my hair today. I'm not too scared or nervous to cut my hair because my hair is really frizzy and it is somewhere between wavy and curly. So even if I go wrong with this haircut, it's not going to be seen. And secondly, I'm sitting at home, so nobody's going to see me, right? By the time I go out and people start seeing me, I think my hair would have regrown to an extent, I think. So if you're interested in seeing how I cut my hair, please stay with me throughout this video, and without any further ado, let's get started. So I watched a lot of videos on how people cut their hair at home. So these are 3 things I could manage at my house. So I have a couple of rubber bands with me. Oops, I dropped one. And then I have this section comb, and then I have this a pair of scissors with me. This is not the scissor you generally use to cut hair, but this is what I have in my house. And yeah, let's try and do what we can with these things. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take this rubber band and put all my hair in the front and tie a knot here, right in the front. So I'm going to try and make this as even as possible.
Years later.
Now I'm going to try and even this out. I'm going to place another rubber band here. Okay, I think I'll chop off this much hair. So I'm going to place one more rubber band here. I'm all of a sudden nervous because this chunk is a bit too long, I feel. But yeah, I'm going to try and chop this off and pray that I still look fine after this. Are we ready? I'm all of a sudden very nervous. That's too long. Should I put another rubber band here and chop only this much? yeah, let's do that. I'm a bit nervous now. So I'm going to place it here now. And chop off this part. So I'm saving this much more. Finally ready. So it's time to do the reality check. I'm going to take off all these rubber bands and see where we are. I actually like it. It doesn't look bad at all, and it's giving me a nice step cut, I feel. Oh my god, this looks beautiful. And my head feels really light. Do you want to see how much hair I've lost? Just a second. This is how much I've cut, and I'm really happy that I cut my hair. I'm also going to try and do some trimming from the front, I feel. Let's do that as well. I'm going to try and trim this front part because for me right now the problem is I'm losing a lot of hair from the front. So when this section goes with the back section, the hair in the front starts pulling. So I'm going to trim it in such a way that this doesn't go inside the ponytail, and I can just, you know, put some clips here maybe. So I didn't realize that I didn't record the part where I chopped this part of my hair. So I have chopped this section now. It looks okay. I mean, yeah. I wanted something like this. So I'm going to do the same on this side now. I can't believe I actually did it. My hair looks super cool. I know it's not perfect. This section does look awkward. So did you guys enjoy the video? If you did, you know the drill. You know what you need to do. So I will have to mention one thing here. For girls who have short hair and straight hair, think twice before taking this risk at home, because you know no salon or parlor is right now open or working, and I would not advise anybody to go out right now. So if you make a mistake, you will have to deal with it till you're at home. So yeah, I had so much fun filming this video. I'll be back with another video soon. You take care. Bye bye.